Good morning, students. Class 5th. Today we will do our book exercise E of adverbs. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined adverbs. Choose the opposites from the box. हमें क्या करना है कि जो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है एडवर्ब्स को, इसका अपोजिट बॉक्स में से फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड वी विल राइट हेयर इन द ब्लैंक्स. We crossed the busy road carefully. इसका अपोजिट क्या है? Carelessly. So we will write it here. Carelessly. The child shook his head sadly. Sadly. Opposite क्या आ जाएगा sadly का? Happily. The plants are growing quickly. Quickly का क्या हो जाएगा? Slowly. I heard a strange noise coming from the room below. Below का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Above. Munmun picked up the bowl gently. Gently का opposite roughly. 6th है Amar kept the books untidily on the shelf. और untidily का opposite हो जाएगा tidily. We will read it right here. 7th, my mother opened the door noisily. Noisily का opposite quietly. Vivek tied the knot of the shack loosely. Loosely का क्या हो जाएगा? Tightly. T-I-G-S-T-L-Y. Tightly. 9th, we have leave now. We will not be able to reach in time. Now. Now का क्या हो जाएगा? Later. Cinderella sat by the fire and cried loudly. Loudly का opposite हो जाएगा softly. 11th, the king ruled wisely for many years. Wisely opposite हो जाएगा इसका foolishly. The doctor has gone upstairs to visit the patient. और इसका opposite हो जाएगा downstairs. Make adverbs from next exercise आपकी F. इसमें क्या करना है? Make adverbs from these adjectives and write them on the blanks. यहाँ क्या है कि ये adjectives दिए हुए हैं और हमें इसमें इसका जो है adverbs फ्रेम करना है. जैसे angry, angrily, lose, loosely, lucky, luckily, dim, dimly, greedy, greedily, calm, calmly, soft, softly, quiet, quietly. लास्ट में जो है ly हम इसमें ऐड कर देंगे. firm, firmly, polite, politely, coward, cowardly, warm, warmly, fierce, fiercely, hard, hardly, happy, happily, and careful, carefully. Careful, carefully. So do these book exercise E and F of adverbs. And next हमारा टॉपिक है 8th preposition and conjunctions. तो firstly we will do preposition. इसमें क्या है करना है? Preposition show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another words in a sentence. Preposition ऐसे words हैं जो relation show करते हैं noun और pronoun का, जो sentence में other words हैं उनके साथ. They are usually followed by a noun or a pronoun. ये जो है noun या फिर pronoun के साथ use होते हैं. जैसे रेशमा is going up. रेशमा is going up the stair. तो यहाँ up क्या है? Preposition. I finished reading the book in 3 days. I finished reading the book. बुक रीडिंग जो है कंप्लीट कर दी in 3 days. तो in यहाँ पे क्या है? Preposition. Some commonly used prepositions are in. कौन कौन सी जो है जो हम commonly यूज करते हैं prepositions, वो कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? जैसे in, from, over, under, below, beside, for, at, by, of, off, out, on, through and with. These are the prepositions words which we used frequently in daily routine. So, first book exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the bracket. ब्रैकेट में जो preposition दी हुई है इसमें से हमें suitable word find out करना है और इसमें blanks में fill करना है. जैसे there were 4 eggs. Dash the sparrow's nest. Dash the sparrow's nest इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? In the sparrow's nest. The telephone is dash the window. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा by the window. The kangaroo jumped dash the fence by, out, over. तो वर्ड जो हमें इसमें से फाइंड आउट करेंगे वो हो जाएगा over. The kangaroo jumped over the fence. The children walked into the forest. जैसे at, into, up. तो into the forest. The kitten was sitting dash the table, under, from, in. तो हम क्या इसमें suitable word कहेगा? Under the table. Saroj climbed dash the flight of steps. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Climbed up. Out, up, for. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Up क्या है? Correct preposition है. We will fill in blank. There is a herd of cows dash the field, with the field, out the field, in the field. तो क्या हो जाएगा? In the field. The pied piper stepped dash the street, into the street, over the street, under the street. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Into the street. Gulliver found 3 men standing dash his chest, under, with, on. तो under his chest, with his chest या फिर on his chest. तो क्या हो जाएगा? On his chest. Humpty Dumpty sat dash a wall, beside a wall, on a wall, behind a wall. तो क्या हो जाएगा? On a wall. The customers are standing dash the bank, waiting for it to open. Outside the bank, into the bank, with the bank. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Outside the bank. Dwarka is dash the Indira Gandhi International Airport. For the Indira Gandhi International Airport, near the Indira Gandhi International Airport या फिर at. तो इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? Near the Indira Gandhi International Airport. द्वारका कहाँ पे है? द्वारका is near the Indira Gandhi International Airport. The train is going dash the tunnel, across the tunnel, round the tunnel, through the tunnel. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Through the tunnel. My aunt lives in a flat dash the shop which sells sports goods. Above the shop, in the shop, on the shop. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Above the shop which sells sports goods. नेक्स्ट है बी एक्सरसाइज, सर्कल द करेक्ट प्रेपोजिशन. इसमें हमें जो है राइट प्रेपोजिशन है उसको सर्कल करना है. जैसे द टीचर वॉज एंग्री विद एट मी. तो विद आएगा या एट? विद मी, एट मी. तो क्या है इसमें राइट ऑप्शन? विद. तो विद को हम क्या कर देंगे? सर्कल कर देंगे. सो यू विल डू दिस बुक एक्सरसाइज बी एंड सी. Replace the underlined preposition in these sentences with their opposites from the box. जो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है preposition को, इसका अपोजिट इसमें बॉक्स में से फाइंड आउट करना है और इसमें ब्लैंक्स में हमें फिल करना है. So you will do these book exercise B and C of preposition with the help of this video. Okay beta, thank you. Do these book exercise.